All AC parts are super important, but if the wires inside your condenser are not secured right, you can end up with some serious problems, like the fan blade cutting through them and causing your system to freak out. So, first off, always check that the wiring inside your condenser unit is tight and neatly tucked away. Loose wires can swing around and get sliced by the fan blade, which might cause your AC to stop working or even short circuit. If you're doing maintenance, grab a flashlight and look inside the condenser to spot any wires hanging out or rubbing against parts. Use cable ties or clips to keep them in place so they don't move around when the fan spins. Also, take a peek at the wire insulation. If it's cracked or worn down, that's a risk for electrical shorts, so replace it fast. When you notice any buzzing or weird noises coming from your AC, it could be a sign that wires are getting hit or damaged. If you're unsure, calling a pro to double check saves you from bigger headaches later. And don't forget to turn off the power before poking around inside the unit. That's a safety must to avoid shocks. One of the biggest mistakes with AC wiring is leaving it loose inside the condenser, which leads to wires getting sliced or frayed by the fan blade. Fix this by securing all wires with cable ties and making sure they're routed away from moving parts. Another common issue is ignoring damaged insulation on the wires, which can cause shorts or even fires. If you spot cracked insulation, swap that wire out as soon as possible. Lastly, not turning off the power before inspecting or fixing wiring is risky and can cause injury. Always shut off your breaker or disconnect switch first before touching anything. BigHomeProjects.com makes it way easier for homeowners to find trusted local contractors who know their stuff with AC repairs and installations. For contractors, it's a solid way to connect with people who actually need their services and grow their business without the hassle.